What's up, y'all? We are here for Rocky Lake, and we're gonna be fishing here for trout, because this is probably the best place to catch trout for a lower level. Let's go. But most of the time when I go here, the fish are the best. Some 4 or 5 pound trout rarely get these days. I got my new bait caster. It's breaking apart because it's not that good. Cast out there. And you just walk it like this, and then you keep doing the same motion until you catch fish. See, you already got a bite. But right now, I don't think it's peak time, so let me check after I reel this in. Oh shoot, whatever that thing is ginormous. It's humongous. So this is ginormous. Whatever this is ginormous. Oh, it's nice, I think. Oh no, it's a baby. I forgot these ones are the fighters. So let me check. Yeah, it's not peak time. Let's go to peak time, I guess. This is fish. Waste my whole day. Cast. I hear any ruckus. That's just friend that's watching movies. So keep walking the dog. But it's fun fishing out here because fish are nice most of the time. What the hell was that? Oh, I just hooked a turtle, I think. Hooked a turtle. I perked the shell. Cotton turtles out here, it's really rare, but pull my spinner rod with the inventory. Keyed on. Guess it up there. Hopefully kickers doesn't draw. I don't think I've used this keyed out here, so let me try it. But it's my big reel. No bites. I'll tie in there a spoon, but I might tie on one. It's a little light, but who cares? Cast that as far as possible. Should only go like somewhere to 100. Yeah, not that bad. And maybe we'll get a bite, because I've got tons of bites off this. But don't catch it, I'm gonna go back to my original spot. Just twitch a little bit. I'm trying to find the bite. Just out there. But Hopefully we can get some good fish out here. Let's see if we can get anything. Really lucky next to these rocks out here. See that fish that just jumped out there? I just hooked onto a weed or a shell. So you know, a turtle. We can cast this thing back out there. Let's even gain any bites. But since we're fishing, well, remember to hit the like button and subscribe. And leave a comment to ask me where we're gonna go fish next. It's very important if you hit the subscribe button. And thank you if you did. If we don't get anything else, we're gonna switch. I mean, a bird. I thought because it's not peak time yet, and I've been trying to catch off no peak time, but I'm gonna change it to peak time. Oh, shoot, can't. Oh, okay, oh, yeah. There we go. Kill my bait rod. Got small minnows. Just, oh, I forgot how far I can chuck that. Wait, I guess it's good. That should be good. Let's see how deep it is. Right there. We have shiners on this one. Cast you about there. It's good. Okay, it's about 7 foot. That's pretty good, actually. There we go. Let me go back to G. What big casters are is go to spin arrows to cast. No one's not going to cast as far, sadly. Yeah, but if you still hear that noise, like that movie, that's my friend. I just missed a bite. No. Cast back over there, see if I can do a bite. Hook a fish. Let's see. Okay, come on. Give me a bite. Anything, please just give me a bite. Okay, time to move over there to those other two people. Maybe they're catching stuff. It's a little nice spot. Oh, I'm clicked. Oh, look, they got the same thing I got. That's crazy. I want to see what they're fishing with, though. Cast that. Get goofy asses out of here, you know what I mean? But, oh, see that? See those fish jump? That's what we want right there. That's what we want. We want those fish. They're catching little baby fish. See, they're getting little bites, I guess. I might hook on a spoon. Spoons are pretty good here. Oh, it's actually good. Okay, thing out there is about the same thing. Cast you then, same thing. This happens sometimes when the fish don't really want to bite. But we've got one fish the whole day. That's not good. Can't catch anything. We're gonna hook on a different lure, or try to hook on a different spoon. But I think all my spoons are in my home place. Oh no, that aggravates me. Let's see what we got. Triple runner? Nah, it's too heavy for my bait caster. Cicada? Oh, let me cast that. That's far. Okay, that's a good cast right there. That's all we want. Let's see what we can catch. But if you are trying to catch what did I call it? I forgot. It's been so long since I've caught a pike. If you're trying to catch pike, then you use cicadas. Cicadas are really good for pike. But we're gonna keep twitching him and see if we can get a bite. If we can't, we're gonna go to a whole different map where I catch tons of pike. Let's see. But that's him speaking. Let's just leave. But we're gonna need spots. Bro, I don't want this pack, bro. Let's go over here. No, I might go in there. It takes too long. Let's go to the spot. We can catch pike here. But they don't really get that big these days. Fish here. Because they love cicadas. You could throw on a cicada anywhere where there's pike. It's gonna say pike. I got a cicada. I got my cicada. Stand on a little dock. Cast it real far. And just twist it around a little bit. Let's just do this. Get a bite. If I don't get anything, I'll say a day. But the reason if we don't catch anything at this guy's because it's not peak time yet. See, that's already a bite right there. That's what we want. That we want a bite. Ooh, they're messing with me. Come on, just give me a bite. There we go. That's what. Ooh, that whatever this is big, bro. It's big. Whatever it is, it's big. It's a nice one, I think. But it is a smaller reel, so it could be like maybe 1 pound or 2. But yeah, this is a pike. It's nice though, whatever it is. It's putting up a fight for me. I'm only on the 2nd gear right now because how strong it is. Come on, let me reel in. God, this is whatever. It's nice. It's a nice one. You're nice. I can tell you're nice. If I ain't doing nothing, I don't care about them. Oh, what are you? You're nice. Ooh, a nice 1 pound pike. See, northern pike right here. He's pretty small, but let me show you what he's gonna look like when you catch one. He's gonna be they're gonna be little babies. See what I'm talking about? Little babies. This is a baby. I'm gonna keep him because why not? It's a little bit of money, I guess. You can cast it back out there and keep catching them. But if this is you only gonna be level 3 to be here, so most people are allowed to be here. Just saying. You just twitch it like this. Reel, don't stop reeling, and just click the set hook button, that little twitch button, every couple seconds. You go 1, 1, 1, get a bite. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. See, this movement's nice. You want to keep this movement steady. Keep that movement until you get a bite or until you catch a fish, actually. And after you catch a fish, if you don't catch anything, then it don't really matter because you catch one last cast. But, oh shoot, that's wrong. Let me go and put on a different cicada. I think I have more cicadas in here. No, I let them all at home. Let's see if I can go buy cicada. No, I can't. This is not good enough. But inventory. Let me go somewhere. Maybe let me go to a map. Let me see what they like. So I'll go to northern pike. They're on the young northern pike here. Small males and shiners, casting spoons, so I'm probably gonna put on a spinner. No, do I even have a spinner right? No, I left it at home. Plopper. I'm trying to. Let me see if I can put on a crankbait here. Hunch runner, crankbait, please. Let me equip this. It's too heavy. That's 4. I don't got any crankbaits. I'll fit it. I got a triple runner. It's too heavy. I got a hunch runner. I have this guy, Walker. We're gonna put on shoot layout. We gotta hook this right here. This one. Go fishing. Little lure. Let's see if we can catch anything off you now. cast him out there. 100. I'm gonna walk him, see if we can get any bites. If we don't get anything, because it's on a spinning rail. We'll just go back to the bait caster. Just a text message. This is my line, bro. My line's messed up. Let's see if I don't know. Do that. Let's see if what time. Oh, okay, we're on peak time. Okay, okay. Peak. Okay, so that's why we're on peak time. Let's cast you out there. But cicadas are good for out here. It's nice being able to catch these fish. But keep walking the dog. This will be one of my longer videos that I've made. But I'm caught some fish, but who cares? I'm going to try to catch a couple more northern pike, and then we're going to end the video. Oh, there we go. That's nice. That's what we want right there. Is it that big? I can't. Oh, no. At max speed. Okay, I missed. I clicked the wrong buttons. Let's see if we can get anything bigger than. But we only have young pike here, so we're going to be catching babies. It's really rare. Come on, you big old Bertha. Let me get you in. He's a little crazy out there. So if you hear anything weird, he's a little crazy. He's a little cuckoo in the brain. Come on. Oh, he's right there. Nice one, I think. Is he okay? He's okay, I think. Yeah, 1.15. Yeah, he's okay. One more cast. Let's even give myself one more. Come on. Oh, that's a nice bite right there. That's what you want. I always have that feeling whenever I miss a bite. It's gonna be like a 10-pounder or something. Cause you're scared it's gonna be a giant and you should miss it. You have a giant on and it comes off from loose tension. That's the worst. I always say that because I'm scared I'm gonna lose a giant. But one more cast. Cast you. See if we can get ourselves a bite. Come on. Need anything. I should probably have dead bait, but I'm not gonna be dead baiting for those guys. I'm just gonna waste my dead bait. It's like $3 per 10 pieces. I missed him. He's dead. That's unlucky, I guess. So, okay, that's low lucky right there. Yes, that's why I want right here. Yes, like right at the end. And you could tell that he's running. Look at the line. It's going backwards. That line going backwards. He's so strong that he's making a big catcher. That's nice. This is nice. It's the biggest thing I've had. This is the biggest fish of the day. This is definitely the biggest one. I could tell. Come on. Come on. He won't let me get past 35. Okay. Yeah, see, look, I can't even get past. I can't. Okay, I'm trying to gain. People say I need to finesse it in, but like, it could be a giant right here. This could be humongous. So I'm not gonna take 3 hours to reel him in. Come on, dude. Okay, this is a nice one right here. This is what we're looking for. Nearly two. We want at least 2 pounders next time. But this is where we're gonna end the video of. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.